When the world says stop, he asks why. When the stars shine bright, he'll find the sky. From atoms to oceans, from spark to dark. Every question starts with mark. That's question mark.
Ever wondered about snowflakes? Let's learn about them on question mark. Why are no two snowflakes the same? Uh-oh, here we go again. Whoa, this isn't just snow. Welcome to the Snowflake Factory. I'm Drip's brother, Drop. And here is Flake. We start as water vapor. Tiny particles floating in the air. When the temperature drops low enough, that vapor freezes directly into ice. At the molecular level, ice always forms a six-sided shape. As snowflakes fall, they grow, branching outward. But oh no, the temperature and humidity keep changing. I can't form correctly, said Flake. So the environment controls how a snowflake grows. If we stabilize the conditions, the structure can form evenly. Now the branches align, and the crystal completes itself. Even the smallest changes in temperature and moisture can create something completely different. The perfect conditions set the foundation, but even then, nature adds its own twist. We did it! I'm a beautiful snowflake, said Flake. Every snowflake looks different because of these tiny variables. That's what makes them so extraordinary.